Hi, welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. I just feel to do a video, but I've been blank out sometimes because I've been looking there. I've been blank. What video I'm gonna do, darling? What's the title of my video? I'm finished on the Swedish National. I'm finished.
Why don't you go and do a semester on computer?
I already told you I don't want to study.
Why?
Darling.
Well,
Yeah,
why?
because I don't want anymore. I have enough on school. Come here.
You don't want to do any more learning?
I don't want
don't
any
understand.
more. You know? Yeah, because Terence has been what do you call that? Trying to convince me to study in computer programming, entrepreneurship, like that. More in computer program, doing some setup, computer setup, program.
What about marketing?
That's my college in marketing. That's why sometimes.
Can you stop rat-a-tat-ing?
Yeah, so this is the scenario. This is what happened. Terence tried to convince me that how about you studied back, it's not whole day, just get some few subjects so that you could learn computer programming, so that you will more knowing about computer, which helps in our channel. And at the same time, for entrepreneur online, like that.
Entrepreneur.
Yeah. And I said to Terence, no, I don't want to go back to school. It's not fun. Right, darling?
What about doing an online study course?
Darling, I had enough on study. Yeah, my college life. Although a lot saying that my grammar is wrong. Yeah. Although a lot said your grammar is wrong. You studied in college, but your grammar is wrong. I know. My high school life, my elementary and my high school life, it's not really, sometimes I go, sometimes not, For grade 1 to grade 6, I didn't, just go to school. Sometimes I didn't because Nanay said, you cannot go to school because you plant rice. You cannot go to school because you're going to shepherd the cow and the carabao. So okay, that's good because sitting there and walking very far, not fun for me. So
because you had to walk to school.
Yeah, so if Nanay said absent, I said good. But when I was in third year high school and fourth year, that's the time that I just realized, because my siblings has been working in Cebu, but when they send their salary to Nanay, they just send 400 pesos, 300 pesos a month. And I look at my father and my mother, and they're very poor, right? We're very poor. So I look at them, I said to myself, I need to do something so that I could able to give them some nice life. A little nice, a little nice. So that's why the only thing that I need to have, the only thing that I can apply scholarship is I need to be part of the honor students, right? So that's why I studied hard, even if it's very difficult. I tried to learn, and that's what I did. So I didn't escape in school. So when I was but I didn't get that scholarship during my fourth year high school, So I worked in Cebu, tried to find a scholarship, but I didn't able until someone helped me to be a working student, and he is now a police in Cebu. Thank you, sir. I've always been looking forward to meet you and say thank you again. I've been telling you thank you. I will never forget your kindness. So now Terence want me to study. It's not fun because when I was in college, I've been hungry. I've been hungry because
I think we can safely say that if you go and study, you won't be hungry. Okay?
When I was in college, I've been hungry. I've been riding in the jeep with no fare. Although now Terence can bring me to the school, but I don't. It's not fun for me.
So where would you go if you went and studied? Which college would you go to?
There's the one in Talibon, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, but I don't.
That
I told
wouldn't be
you.
such a hardship.
Or in Tagbilaran, but I don't want, darling. It's not, you know, even if my grammar is wrong, you know, even if my, I said, sometimes, you know, I've been irritated. They said, your grammar is wrong. And I said to Terence, darling, my grammar is wrong. And then what did your answer?
I said that there are many people out there whose grammar is correct, but they don't do anything.
You know, I know but I tried to learn, you know. When I was first year college, we have an English there. You know, English, my all classmates who I've been part of the nursing group, right? On the nursing section, and all of them been good in answering, you know, good in making up sentence, knows the grammar, the singular, the plural, you know. They just checking, you know. And then I said, oh, they're very good. And then my other classmate says, where did you have a high school? It seems you don't study.
Seems you haven't been to school.
Yeah, it seems you didn't been in school, that you didn't know that. And then I said, it's okay. You know, I never, you know, it's fun, you know, but I don't want to come back on study, you know. Although I have my master in business administrations, which I learned, yeah, I learned something out of that, you know. After my college, I've been working, you know, and then because we got 50% discount, because I'm the sister company, the hospital where I worked before is the sister company of the school, and once you're an employee, you have 50% discount. So my other office mate says, let's go and get enroll in a master's degree. So I said, okay, you know, it's fun, you know, but it's more in reporting, but I don't want to go back on that, you know, right, darling?
Okay, don't go back.
I don't want to go back on school.
Okay, don't go back.
Yeah, so let's drop the idea that you want me to send to school, okay?
Okay.
Understand? Okay?
No,
How
I'm not
about
gonna-
you go to school?
Oh no, I don't want to go back.
How about you go to school?
No, I don't think so.
Just
I think
try.
I should go. If I could find someone, a good teacher of Visayan, I would go.
Oh, then you go to elementary
Go to elementary.
where babies study. They speak Bisaya.
What, with a load of 10-year-olds?
Yeah, that's gonna be fun.
Honey,
What?
hello. Are you thinking,
What? You want an Bisaya, and then the kids can help you.
honey, if I went as a foreigner into looking at how things deteriorate as soon as I walk into any classroom when we go to the school, there would be no order in the class if I was there. Not because it's me in particular, but a foreigner. The kids, it would be very difficult for any teacher. I'm talking about a private tutor.
Ah, okay. Yeah, so we both don't like school. You know, but you know, sometimes, you know, I always says, I tell Taliklik, you know, it's very important to be in school, you know, it's very important to be in school, but you need also to build your attitude and your character, you know, because education, you know, no matter how much your education is, the important is your attitude, because that attitude is the one that will swim you on the journey of life. Bind you on the journey of life. And this life is really, really fun, and it's up to you how to dance with it. Got it?
I think so. I got it.
So please like, comment, and subscribe. Again, I don't want to go back to school. Got it?
I guess that's the title of this.
Yeah, because
This
Terence
video,
always
isn't
said, if you go, because I think I saw a video of, remember I told you Brian Ahizi? Ahizi
Yes.
went to school. You can go to school. Have a good day and God bless. Bye-bye.